Did you know that chocolate syrup is actually super easy to make at home? You literally just whisk together a few simple ingredients, bring it to a boil, and boom, you've got some delicious homemade chocolate syrup on your hands. Plus, you can avoid artificial colors and flavorings that can be included in store-bought chocolate syrups. Okay, let me walk you through the simple process. Here are the 5 simple natural ingredients that you'll need. Water. Please use filtered water here. You could also experiment by using half water, half coffee for a mocha syrup. Unsweetened cocoa powder. Please use a good quality cocoa powder here. I like the Equal Exchange Fair Trade Organic Cocoa Powder. Granulated sugar. I use organic cane sugar, but you could use brown sugar, sucanat, etc. It will have more of a caramel flavor if you opt for a less processed sugar. Salt. Adding a pinch of salt helps to bring out the other flavors. If you leave it out, your chocolate syrup will be kind of bland. Vanilla extract. I really like to use vanilla extract in this recipe because I like the flavor that it adds. Okay, now it's time to make the syrup. Combine water, cocoa powder, sugar, and salt in a medium saucepan. Put the pan on the stove and turn it on to medium heat. Give it a good whisk. Continue to whisk frequently until the mixture is smooth and it comes to a boil. It doesn't have to be a full rolling boil, but you do want it to be bubbly throughout. You're mostly wanting to ensure that the sugar dissolves. Remove from heat and add the vanilla extract. Pour the finished chocolate syrup into an airtight container. You want it to be a glass bottle or another heat-proof material. You can use a mason jar or a flip-top bottle like the one I used here. If you allow the syrup to cool completely before transferring to a storage container, then you can put it into a plastic squeeze bottle. Cool to room temperature and then transfer it to the refrigerator. By the way, there's no need to cool it down first if you're using it for a hot coffee drink. Go ahead and pour it straight from the pan into your mug. Now here are a few ways that you can use the delicious chocolate syrup that you just made. Of course, you can add it to your morning coffee for a super easy homemade mocha. Or you can use it in my iced mocha recipe. Pour it over cake or ice cream to add an extra oomph to your dessert. Use it to make peppermint mocha for a yummy holiday treat. Or if you're looking for a frozen drink, try my double chocolate chip frappuccino recipe. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to check out this video next that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy.